Hello, my name is Gabrielle, and today we're going to have a look at English. But I'm just going to pick on one thing. Prepositions. Okay, what is a preposition? Its definition. A preposition is a word that relates other words to each other. Okay, as you can see here, I've written this down on something called a grammar. They're very helpful for all revision, not just the 11 plus, also for your normal revision, so for your test, for instance. You can get them at www.pinkporcupine.com, but obviously pink is spelled the same, no space, but it's porcupine spelled Porcupine and then .com. They're very, very useful, especially for the 11 plus. Okay, so let's get started. Let's have a think of two different prepositions. Okay, cat under the table, so under is your preposition. Book on the shelf. Okay, I want you to do 3 of your own with the words above, by and for. Okay, make up 3 of your own, and I shall ask your parents, see if they're right. Okay, so once you've written 3 of your own, we're going to start. So just press pause, write 3, then we'll start. Okay. So, alright. I want you to complete each of these expressions. We're just going to do 4. Okay, so something, the most part. Something on all 4s. Okay? I want you to do those 2 first. So, something, the most part. Something on all 4s, okay? If you do those first. Okay, so then once you've done them, press pause. So press pause and have a go, and then press play to find out the answer. Okay, for the first one, it's for the most part. I don't know if you've ever heard that expression. And the second one is on all 4s, like an animal. Okay, let's have a look at 2 more. Better or worse. Okay, so something better or worse, and something all means. Okay, so press pause and have a go, and then press play to find out the answer. The answers are for and by. So for better or worse, that's it, if you've ever heard of that expression, and by or means. So for, let's have a think of a sentence that you can have a preposition. Jamie has a parcel for Amy. There you go. Jamie has a parcel for Amy. And let's have a think of on. I've got one for you. Book on the shelf. Okay. And last one. By. Okay. This book was written by Christopher. There you go. B-Y. By. Okay. Let's have a look at another one. We'll have a look at another few. Okay, I want you to finish these sentences by writing the right preposition. He climbed something, the gate, with ease. Okay, so press pause and then have a go, and then press play to find out the answer. Okay, for the first one, it is over. So he climbed over the gate with ease. Okay, next one. Granny is suffering. Then you've got to put your preposition in arthritis. Okay? So press pause and then have a go, and then press play to find out the answer. Okay? Granny is suffering from arthritis. Okay? We're going to do one more. Keep your head something, the water, when learning to swim. So, keep your head something, the water, when learning to swim. Press pause and have a go, and press play to find out the answer. The answer is keep your head above the water when learning how to swim. Okay? We're just going to have a look at 2 more. Okay. What I want you to do is underline I want you to write out the sentence and underline the preposition, what you think it is. Okay, I'll give you probably 3 sentences actually. Mrs. Truman is an authority is an authority on beetles. Okay, Mrs. Truman is an authority on beetles. Right, press pause, underline the right preposition that you think is the right preposition, then press play to find out the answer. Okay, Mrs. Truman is an authority on should be underlined beetles. So on should be underlined in that sentence. The drink split on the table. Okay, the drink split on the table. So press pause and underline the right preposition, what you think it is. Press play to find out the right answer. The answer is the drink split on the table. So on is the one that should be underlined again. And there's one more. Susie saw the strange man outside her window. Susie saw the strange man outside her window. Okay, press pause and then underline what the preposition you think that's right, and then press play to find out if it is what is the right answer. Susie saw the strange man outside is the one that should be underlined her window. Okay, what I just want you to do now is to write 5 prepositions. Okay, but you need to make sure that they're either from, on, to, beyond, or up. So from, on, to, beyond, up. Okay? So I want you to press pause, write 3 of them. Okay, 3 sentences, and then press play. Okay? So it can be anything whatsoever. And doesn't matter what they are, as long as they make sense and as long as you've put the preposition in the right place. Okay? Hopefully you've learned a bit about prepositions, and I hope that you have enjoyed it. So we're going to have a look at another thing. I just want you to write this down. An abbreviation. A word or words which is or are shortened. So a word or words which is or are shortened. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to give you one. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, abbreviate these for me. NE, okay? NE. That is northeast, so northeast. Okay, PTO. Sometimes you write this when you want someone to turn over when they redo something. Please turn over. So NE is northeast and PTO is please turn over. Don't forget that they have to be in capital letters, okay? So press pause and have a go after I tell you this one. So I'm going to give you 3 to do on your own. PLC, alright? Press pause and have a go and then press play to find out the answer. Public limited company. It's quite a tricky one, but once you know it and if you do get something to revise with, then I'm sure gradually you'll have a long list of abbreviations. And another one, DEPT, D-E-P-T. Right, press pause and have a go and press play to find out the right answer. The answer is department. So some people say in an address they have, say for instance there's a place called Room Stores in Upminster. So the Room Stores department. Okay, so they would put Room Stores and then DEPT rather than putting the whole actual word. And let's have a look at another one. BST, okay? Press pause and have a go and press play to find out the answer. The answer is British Summertime. Instead of GMT, which is Greenwich time, Greenwich Mean Time, it's BST, which is British Summertime, okay? And finally, the UK. Everyone should know this, okay? So press pause and have a go and then press play to find out the answer. The answer is, of course, United Kingdom. Let's see if I can think of another one for you. Okay, see if you know your units of measure. kg. Press pause and then have a go and press play to find out the answer. The answer is kilograms, okay? You should all know that one because obviously maths and it's one of your units. And mg, okay? Press pause and have a go and press play to find out the answer. The answer is milligrams. Okay, see if I can find any more for you. Okie dokie. Okay, I want you to write the abbreviation of these now. Okay? For example, okay, I want you to press pause and have a go, and then press play to find out the answer. The answer is EG. Okay? So, always think, for example, so the example that's given to you. Okay? And one more. Number. So when you have a house number, you go to a house, normally has the abbreviation then the actual number. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Press play to find out the right answer. The right answer is NO, so no, and then with the dot next to it. So NO with a full stop. And let's have a look at one more. Square. Okay, press pause and have a go, and then press play to find the actual answer. The answer is SQ with the full stop after it. Okay, let's give you one more. One more. Okay. Let me have a think. Well, GMT actually. Just press pause and have a go, and then if you do know the answer, press play. The answer is Greenwich Median Time. Okay, and I don't know if any of you actually have done this, but when you actually go to Greenwich, there's a line, and some people step so half there, step one leg over the line, and one leg's not in GMT, one's is, if that makes sense. So I would love to do it one day. Okay. I think that's it, okay? I hope that you've learned a lot about abbreviations and prepositions. And that's it from me. So, bye.